How to find out how much money YouTubers make. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how you can check any YouTuber's earning. For this, you want to open up any web browser, then head over to socialblade.com. Now, you also want to open youtube.com and then search for the YouTube channel over here. Then you want to open the YouTube channel in this way. Now, you want to copy the username of the specific YouTube channel. Once you have copied it, you want to head back over to socialblade.com. Now, from this drop down, select YouTube. Then, on the search bar, you want to enter the YouTube username and click on this search icon. After this, all these stats about this YouTube channel will be displayed over here. It includes the subscriber for the last 30 days. It also has the estimated monthly earnings, and you also have the estimated yearly earnings. So from here, you are able to get the information about the YouTubers' monthly and yearly earnings. Now, if this range is not specific and you want more specific details, you want to scroll all the way down, and here you have the YouTube Money Calculator slash estimated earnings option. Go ahead and click on this. Now, the first thing you want to do is import YouTube user. For this, you want to input the YouTube username, then click on the import username option. Now, you want to increase the slider in daily views, and as you increase the slider, you will get the estimated CPM. You will also get estimated daily, monthly, and yearly projection on the side. And in this way, you can find out how much money YouTubers make. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.